Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The first thing I'm going to do is I have to apologize to you guys for not uploading a video on Friday like I promised. So what happened was this: I already had my content created, but I just was about editing the video and I mistakenly deleted all the videos I recorded. So that's why I couldn't upload video on Friday. So I apologize for that. The video I'm supposed to upload is what I'm going to be doing today. It's a tutorial on how you can create Instagram story highlights. I'm going to design one using Canva, and I'm going to try as much as possible to make it easy to understand and very simple. So if you're coming on my channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Faidat, and on here you get to learn a lot about simple designing. You get to learn about digital marketing, web development, web designing, and a lot more related content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button down below to subscribe, and also the bell button right beside it so you get notified anytime I post new videos. So guys, let's get right into today's tutorial.